Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Range Rover Vogue. So from any screen, first of all, we make sure that Bluetooth is switched on. It is. We go down to the bottom. Over here, you'll see a telephone there, settings there, or home. If I go to home and there's no phone connected here at the moment, you've got their phone, tap to connect, or I can click the phone symbol, and there you go, you've got pair new device. Click pair new device. Use your device to search for Range Rover. Now we're watching out at the bottom here. Range Rover's come up. I click on Range Rover, and then we're just watching over here. That's thinking about it. There we go. Verify these numbers match the display on Barry's iPhone 13 Pro. 986298, 986298. So click pair there, and yes there. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow. That should all be connecting, and there you go. Barry's iPhone's connected there, and then Range Rover connected there. That's the one. That's how you pair a mobile.